There's that moment in worship where you can just feel like I'm supposed to step out.
I'm gonna say and speak and deliver what the Holy Spirit's saying, whether it sounds super poetic or not.
That constant connection with the Holy Spirit of being like, what are you doing, what are you doing, what are you doing?
Spontaneity is the reward of preparation.
It lets the congregation like go off the page, but like actually sing what's in their heart.
Inviting people into their own song, their own voice, and that a lot of times is just as powerful as a chorus.
You could feel that when they caught it as a room and when they just went for it as a room, the whole atmosphere changed.
All the difference in the world is when we go from talking about it to he's doing it.